no one cares about LaSalle County.
I could go.
So this is how we're spending our Friday night. We are in Depue. Eliza is scared. We're at Casey's.
I don't know if I'm more scared of people in Depue or the storm.
I think right now it's a pretty scary storm.
Wait, hold it till you put some lightning.
I'm more scared of the people that live in Depue. Ask me again in 5 minutes, so.
When the tornado strikes our car.
The last place we're ever going to see is the inside of a Casey's cooler.
Let's go get some maple icing donuts.
Oh, sick.
So good.
It's so full. We need to focus on the issue at hand that we're going to die in front of the Casey's.
Well, I'm saying, if we have to be at Casey's, like most of it, it's maple donuts.
If we live through this evening.
Tired. The stores make me sleepy.
The evening started out pretty nice. Pretty nice. Why don't you tell what we did?
I started watching Under the Tuscan Sun, which I thought was going to be kind of bad.
Fast forward to the good part.
We're getting there. Then it got really good when Diane Lane started, she moved to Italy. That's as far as I got. I hate Diane. I do. Diane, thank you. And then Laura came home and I went to Applebee's.
And I picked up.
I got chicken fingers and fries, honey mustard sauce. She got the bourbon street steak with no bourbon. And mashed potatoes. And then we went to Target and we looked at books we wanted to read. Now we're stuck in the armpit of America. And might be the last video ever recorded of us.
Bye, Mom and Dad. At least you got some good tunes to go out to. 10:05 p.m. Friday, July 24th. God, I ruined it!
July 27th.
This is so dramatic.
I know.
Give us the date.
Friday, July 26th.
Don't blow this.
That's what she said.
Oh, I'm frightened. I'm frightened.
There's a line of cars pulling into the Casey's for shelter. This is what it's come to.
In Depue. Casey's is the storm cellar.